Hello and welcome to our Java tutorial channel. Today we're going to explore a fascinating problem, finding the first non-repeating character in a string using Java 8 features. This is a common challenge in coding interviews and a great way to understand some of the powerful features of Java 8. Let's dive right into the code and see how we can solve this efficiently. First, we'll create a class named firstNonRepeatingElement. Inside this class, we'll write a main method that takes an array of strings as input. The main goal of this code is to identify the first non-repeating character in a given string. Next, we'll declare a variable of type string and assign it the value JavaStreams. Now, to find the non-repeated character, we'll proceed with converting the input string into a stream of characters. We do this by calling input.jars, which essentially turns each character in the string into a stream. Once we have our stream, we'll use the map-to-object method with a lambda expression. This lambda expression takes each integer Unicode value from the stream and converts it back into its corresponding character. This is necessary because the stream initially represents characters as their Unicode values, and we need them in their character form to perform further operations. Let's dive deeper into this lambda expression. C represents an element in the input stream, which is the integer Unicode value of a character. Character C. This part casts the integer value back to a character, making it possible to work with the actual characters for grouping and counting. Next, we use the collect method, which is a special command in Java streams. It gathers all the items from the stream into a common container, like a list, set, or map. This method uses a tool called a collector to organize and store these items. We then use the collectors.groupingBy method to group elements of the stream based on their identity. Here's what it does. It organizes elements into groups where each group consists of elements that share a common attribute. You provide a function that tells the method how to classify each element. In our case, we use function.identity, which means each character is used just as it is for grouping. The linked hashmap ;new is specified to maintain the order of characters as they first appeared in the string. This is crucial when the order matters, like in our case where we are looking for the first non-repeating character. We then call entrySet to get a set of entries in the map, followed by stream to convert these entries into a stream for further processing. The filter operation is used to find characters that appear exactly once in the string. Here, entry.getValue retrieves the count of how many times each character appears, and we keep only those characters with a count of 1. Next, map extracts the characters from the map entries, and findFirst finds the first character that meets our non-repeating condition. If there's no such character, or else provides a default value of null. Finally, we print the result using out.println. When executed, this code will print the first non-repeating character is J, because J is the first non-repeating character in the string JavaStreams. To wrap up, we've explored how to find the first non-repeating element in a stream using Java 8. We started with an overview of the Stream API, walked through a step-by-step solution, discussed performance considerations, and saw a practical example in action.